Yeah. Alright. Yeah, my people, blessing and honor to one and all, everyone. You get what me I say? No, me I try run through this fast, but there's so many work to catch up on. I don't know if you notice me, I move slow from Addi, but I've been so tired. What Barry someone say? I'm so tired. What a wonderful temptation this would be. Yeah. Now this is me. A Jamaican could be. I don't want to go home. No, I want to go home, of course. At Jamaica I should be. Don't know what to do. Of course you know what to do. And what we should say. We already made up our mind that Andrewolness is in our way. But early, God told me, I've been waiting for you, sonny. He made something special for we. Now how can we contain it? We can't afford to break it. With this mystic claims, we have to adore. The double trouble is waiting. It's knocking outside. Trinidad and Tobago, they keep calling our names. Yeah, they keep calling our names. Big up to the good Trinidadian and the good Tobagans who love Jamaicans, right? But for the ones who always be complaining and complacent and complainant, you know what I'm saying? They are the same ones who are doing the same wrongs. You know, trying to compare and compete with Jamaica. You know, Jamaica land we love. Jamaica land we love. Thank you, Father, for our life. Keep us free from power and shower. The whole of we are one year, man. Jamaica land we love. Jamaica land we all love worldwide. When Kartel said Jamaica land we love, that not just go for we as Jamaican, the whole world. Because that's why I name WORLDBOSS. He must speak for the world. Jamaica land we love, and the people them will walk the land that came from the land. From the motherland to this land that was separated but was one. The word was one. The word you learn about in Matthew, Mark, Luke, and John. Alright, watch you now, make a good night. Come and say me want to run through it and we're going 3 minutes and 30 seconds. Alright? So this post is from the Jamaicans.com and Xmerce. What is? Jamaicans.com, right? So the post title, Jamaica ranked second happiest country in the English-speaking Caribbean. Right? In the Caribbean, we rank the second happiest nation. The people on the land, the island here of Jamaica, amongst other Caribbean islands, we are the second happiest. And despite Andrew being the wicked, they mash down these labor rights, mash down the hospital system, mash down everything, goddamn thing, thief, the relief, them thief, the hurricane relief. You get me answer from the people who are asleep on the streets for all these months, days, and weeks. Yo, Andrew and him team is a set of crosses. They reeks. You know what I mean? They reeks. Meaning like they smell, they stink. You stink! God bad! We're queen of that. Call them. Yo, so what you know? It's we are the second happiest country in the Caribbean, the English-speaking Caribbean. But we're 49 in the world. And you know that there's like nearly 200 countries or more. Because remember, the country keep on separating and part ways and part a little section to a new country. So we have nearly about 200 different countries. And we are ranked underneath the 50. We are 49ers, like the footballers. That's why we're great in a football too. You get me I say? Like our girl that was signed now to, she continue play for the Manchester United. That girl they play for, Bonnie. What's she name? Bonnie Shaw, Bumbuckler. And I think they go get for laugh off of me. But oh, I don't know the girl them. That's why Kartel say, oh, you sit down pan corner, a chat about Pele or your baller. I know Messi can't salad Maradona. Cause the one Alkaline did forward, but you know say when you pile Messi, your career, That's why Kartel give him that, Bo them a chat, bo Pele Bala, and bo Zidane can't follow Maradona. And then Kartel say, yo, you in a space, in a Giz studio, Giz in a space. But we're not deter from this. But we have to implicate Kartel and even Alkaline, the likes of Alkaline, because they are known to be great. But Vybz Kartel is the greatest. We surpass every other thing what people consider to be great. You know what I mean? So with that said, I have to say the realest thing too. Alkaline only became great because he bridged the current half of Vybz Kartel. That is it, you know what I mean? But he had done some great songs which stood the test of time so far, and that also make him a remarkable artist. You know what I mean? Yeah, big up Alkaline. Addi and my daddy, who want Bex, go on Bex. This bad man, you get a box when you're jolly. So we had Vybz Kartel as a great Jamaican, worldwide famous man. We came from the base, not the bottom. Zin, the base to the top, outer space, brain, alien brain. Zin, able and keen, a claim king. You get what I say? No joke about the damn thing. Watch you now. So we're 49, we rank 49 in the world, and we would have been at a much lower number, which would prove that we're the happiest if we never have corrupt thief in labor right them a lead with. Yo, I'm telling you, no should vote for Mark Golding. Them won't so bad. I'm see now some dirty corrupt labor right who ashamed of them party, them want come talk about say PMP and no better. Go suck on the mama and take PMP off on a blood clot mind and out on a thinking mouth. Because if you give them a chance, it won't be this worse. Them not so thief and corrupt. Them not, and PMP people not so dunce. You see what I say? PMP people them always warn people about the labor right and don't give them no chance. That's why them never make them touch blood clot leadership seat for how long. You get me I say? But you see when it forward black around to PMP or some other new party we go lead, Zin, me sure no say nah reach back around to the green lizard them. You get me I say? The green reptilian them. Bumba clock, them no represent environment. For them green and moliness, green nastiness, gangrene. Watch this. So I can read a post here before we go no further, or else I'm murder. Zin? So it said Jamaica has climbed the ranks. I can't see past this one part of my screen blackout, guys, so forgive me for that. So Jamaica have climbed the ranks, I believe it's in rank, becoming the 49 happiest country in the world, I believe it's saying, right? I don't know if it's saying nothing under that, but if you might see it when I edit it, so big up on yourself. Watch this now, we're going to slide to the left and crisscross, and gal you can kiss, but watch the lip gloss. Gal, exercising in time of my gym, well I work out it, nice in my gym, called digitalizing. In my gym, girl, when she ought to. Watch her now. We'll slide to the left. Alright. So see there? So the numbers there, the rank where Brazil there. Make us see this. Brazil there what? 20, what that? I can't even see it. 21, 22, no. All this counts so 4, 12. I can't even see the fucking. Well on the genius, because genius read him on this, you know. Alright, I can read what it has say. Obviously, so Jamaica they are 49. Zin, the lower line. See we are? Me use a different color. Jamaica land we love. Jamaica land we love. That are Jamaica. Zin? Yeah, with the 49ers. Like the footballers. So I can read what this had to say. So it says, the title, it says, top third of all countries ranked. Jamaica has climbed to 49th globally in the World Happiness Report. But I'm glad on a World Guinness, World Happiness. Because Guinness and happiness kind of closely, the NESS with even the I. Because Guinness is GUINESS. Yes. While business is boss in ness. BUSINESS. Now you have happiness, which is like, hey girl, come for happiness. You know what I mean? Come for happiness, little miss. I know nothing for icky miss. If icky miss, I need not have no pity miss. Happiness in every city miss. We get icky miss. I know kissy miss. Cause you know stickiness. Come for happiness, little miss. I know nothing for icky miss. If icky miss, I need not have no pity miss. Happiness in every city miss. We get icky miss. No go licky miss. Or you end up in a stickiness. Yeah, that is it. You see me? Yo, you know how long me do that song there from 2004. You get me? I say the amount of song we have till we brain couldn't store no more. You see me? Yeah. We need to find back the files, the lost files of my brain, my memory. Now watch this. It says Jamaica has climbed to 49th globally in the world happiness report 2026, rising sharply from 73rd. Bumbleclot, we were in 73rd. It's not 63rd. Don't let Vaughn hear that 63rd and that 73rd shit. Because that's some bird shit. You know what I'm saying? Rest in peace, King Vaughn. Yeah, he ain't in that 63rd shit. So it says we have been rising sharply from 73rd, right? In 2025, that was just last year, and placing firmly within the top third of all the countries ranked, while 9 Caribbean nations made the top 50. While 9 Caribbean, hold on, hey, this color coding, I need to go away. Okay, placing firmly within the top third. Okay, rising sharply. Us as Jamaican, we rise sharply from 73rd in 2025 and placing firmly within the top third of all the countries rank. So you know, so the top third are the first like fraction. You know, you have a whole out of a whole. Let me teach you a little math so I can teach you. So this is the whole pie here, right? Now the pie is cut in 3 equal slices, right? Let's say this is equal slices. Jamaica made it in the 1/3, which the first 50. You know what I mean? Out of all of the country. Them should have given a figure of how much country there is. But as I did say already, nearly 200 country we have. And possibly more too, over the 200, because new country have been formed every now and then. You know what I mean? So, yeah, so it's firmly within the top third of all the countries ranked, right? While 9 Caribbean nations made the top 50. Yeah, while 9 Caribbean nations made the top 50. So all 9 Caribbean made the top 50 and we are 49, but yet still we are second in the Caribbean as the happiest nation, a Jamaican. So hold on there. While 9 Caribbean nations made the top 50, Jamaica and 1 other CARICOM nation achieved feature highlighting the country's deeply rooted what is sense? Yes, I can see now. Sense of optimism, right? So yeah, let's get that. While 9 Caribbean nations made the top 50, only Jamaica and 1 other CARICOM nation achieved the feature highlighting the country's deeply rooted sense of optimism, right? Optimism, okay, guys? And resilience, even in the face of adversity, right? So within the top third of all the country rank. So a Jamaica and a next country alone get featured, right? But them say a 9 Caribbean nation made the top 50. But only Jamaica and 1 other CARICOM nation achieved the feature. Yo, I don't think this makes sense enough for some reason. I feel like them are boots we up and a sell with lies to make you feel good. Because remember, say Andrew Wellness link with the fake Israelis, them, you know. Them are not the true Israelites of God, you know. You get me? We are. You see what I say? And it seems like the deal with Andrew make have to beautify our name in the media. But when you check reality, we're blurred not blown to pieces. Yeah, we're like an aftermath here in Jamaica. You get me, I say? People are suffer, people are ball, people are dead. Ask the police them. Where bled them a go bled. Me say bled them a go bled. Long chop up catch. Bled them a go bled. Them tear clipping on them head. Andrew Wellness, yeah. Cause you can lie, see you can spy. Baggage right and it full of fry, chop him up Monday night, Tuesday night, turn him fry. No need Ivy make it fry, so not. But I don't even know them on the song, you know. I swear. Watch, you know. So I could move on to the next slide, because we're done with this, you know. Zin? Yeah, we're done with this. Even in the face of adversity. Right? Adversity. I want to see that chart here and can't to see it, you know. So I go zoom in and talk on it when I edit it. Right? So this may just be long. Alright, now we have the world happiness, right? World happiness. Alright, what the World Happiness Report says. It says, produced in partnership with the United Nations. Okay, we have to go back and join the conversation. Watch this now, folks. Oh, adversary. Okay, so the World Happiness Report 2026. Produced in partnership. Okay, I say I have to read it. Read it with the title, because the title really different. Look at this title here. That says top third of all countries ranked. And this one says the World Happiness Report 26. So you have to start read it from there. Right? And this diagram you're seeing up there, right? It's a snapshot of Jamaica's ranking World Happiness Report for 2026. Right? Same top 50 ranking. And Jamaica the 49. Alright? So, the World Happiness Report 2026, produced in partnership with the United Nations. The World Happiness Report measures well-being using data from the Gallup World Poll, examining factors beyond GDP to include social support, freedom, and benevolence. Right? Among Jamaica's strongest global indicators were its ranking of 24 in social support, third for helping a stranger. Okay, yeah, remember this. Among Jamaica's strongest global indicators were its ranking of 24th in social support, meaning say we conversate with people and we're not like some foreign countries where the neighbors don't say eye to eye, them not look out for them one another, you know. So Jamaica has that good characteristics about us, you know what I'm saying, that we communicate a lot more than the majority of other nation of people, you know what I'm saying, and we look out and support more, but we also unalive more and hate and bad mind more. So the help and the associate part where people talk to you is really for use you. So Jamaicans need to stop interact with Jamaicans that they don't know and try study them before you know them. Because some people just love know people, love to friend up and push up themselves in a people. And I'm not that one. You don't want to see me a road and push up yourself in a me. You get me? I say, even though I know me look pleasantly good and handsome, and you get me, I got attracted. Because every day me have to shun off the girl them where look me. You get me? I say, because once we and them connect, you know, then them are going to start to display them boss-like behavior, you know? Because a woman will go on nice till she get you where she wants, you know, and then that's where the problem come in. Where, you know, she'll all say you don't have no sense because in a fear meds, you now move like how she want you to move. You know what I mean? And yeah, me no think that. Me no care. Me no care. Hold on, watch it. Me dear. Me no period. Yeah, watch you know. So where are we? Yes, we're right here. We ain't going anywhere. We're right here. Tell them boys that we don't care. We're right here. Tell them fools that we don't share. We're right here. So I go just read it from top. But I know somewhere with the examine factor there. But we'll start over again. Then, so the World Happiness Report 2026, produced in partnership with the United Nations. The World Happiness Report measures well-being using data from the Gallup World Polls, examining factors beyond GDP to include social support, freedom, and benevolence. Among Jamaica's strongest global indicators were its ranking. Oh, we had finished right through this, man. Ranking of 24 in social support, third for helping a stranger. We're third for helping strangers, right? I mean, your car broke down. We're third worldwide for helping strangers. That is awesome. Totally radical, man. That's awesome, dude. Yeah, man. See what I'm saying? Yeah, this is crazy. This is great news. Trinidad no good, so, but yet still some of the Trinidadian and the Tobago them want hate against we and jealous. You know what I mean? Look how much good things the world have to say about us. All I want to say is that this is what the world about us. Woo! Love we, trouble we, you can never touch we, Trinity. Okay, yeah, so we're third for helping strangers worldwide. And an average self-evaluation life scores of 6.305 out of 10. Okay, so that's basically 6.3. You know, 6, like 6. It's basically 6, right? When you round it off to the nearest 10, a 6, right? So we're 6 out of 10 in our life score. That is when you average, you check up everything, right? We're 6 out of 10. And that is great. But if we could have just got 5, Andrew Wellness cars, if we can the 5 and keep alive with the vibrant vibes we get. Because we have the Vybz Kartel, we have the Usain Bolt, we have the Bob Marley, we have the Greatest, we have the Steve the Genius, we have the Movado, we have the Berry Salmon, we have the Buju, we have we have the icon them, and we have the great mind and the great girl and the great man them, and we have them. So all of you other Caribbean, just rate us. Or you could hate us if you like, you know. Let's move on, right? This is thirdly now, we have regional and global ranking, okay? This is regional, like the Caribbean would be regional, and globally would mean the whole world, okay? So we're in the region of the Caribbean. Now listen, Jamaica ranks second in the English-speaking Caribbean behind Belize. That is third. So we're second in the English-speaking Caribbean behind Belize. Third, ahead of Trinidad and Tobago. That's 19. Them evil. Be at them and kill them one another. Run up in a one another. You get me, I say? Yeah, we're second and they're 19. Oh my God. I would like to scream and eat some ice cream. Look at this. Okay, so Jamaica